How to delete your Flexii account. If you want to delete your account on Flexii, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. So what we do is we go ahead and then launch the Flexii app, and this is the interface that we will be able to see. Now, after you log into your account, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then when you've done that, you'll find all these options. You can simply scroll and look for the option called personal information and tap on it. From personal information, you'll find your email, phone number and password, and you can tap on the account deletion option right here. When you hit the account deletion button, why would you like to delete your account? Any reason, whatever you might type in here, and here it will ask you to delete the confirmation. So tap on delete my account and your Flexii account will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Flexii account. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, still feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.